How to add clickable link to TikTok bio. Hi everyone. Want to turn your TikTok viewers into website visitors, customers, or email subscribers? Adding a clickable link right in your bio is one of the smartest ways to drive traffic and grow your brand, all using TikTok's official tools. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps to add a clickable link to your TikTok bio safely and easily. Step 1. Open the TikTok app and tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Step 2. Tap Edit Profile. Step 3. If you don't see the links or website options, switch to a business account first. From your profile, tap the three-line menu in the top right, go to Settings and Privacy, then Account, and choose Switch to Business Account. Follow the simple prompts to complete the switch. Step 4. Back in Edit Profile, scroll to the Links section and tap Add. Step 5. Select Website. Step 6. Paste your full URL, make sure it starts with https:// then tap Save. Your link will now appear below your bio and become fully clickable for anyone viewing your profile. Pro tip: TikTok only allows one direct link, so use a free tool like Linktree or Stan Store to bundle multiple destinations, your website, shop, YouTube, and more into that single clickable spot. This gives you way more flexibility. To recap, adding a clickable link to your TikTok bio is straightforward through the Edit Profile section and helps you connect better with your audience using only official features. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more practical TikTok and social media tutorials, and let me know in the comments. What are you linking to in your bio, your website, shop, or something else? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.